Hi, I'm Cap Sam. Are you confused about when to use positives and negatives when using square roots? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. When you look at the square root of 25, is the answer to that 5? Is it negative 5? Is it both? It's a good question. In math, this symbol means the positive square root or the principal square root. You can think of it as the main square root. So in this case, the square root of 25 is just 5. If you wanted the negative number that gives you 25 when you square it, we put a negative sign in front of that square root, and that's going to give us negative 5. Sometimes you want both of those answers. And to do that, we use a symbol that is the plus or minus. We put that in front of the square root, like that, and that gives us both answers, positive 5 and negative 5, plus or minus 5. Where does this come up, or where do we use this? Sometimes it comes up when you're solving equations. Let's take a look. If I want to solve the equation x squared equals 25, I want all of the numbers that when I plug them in for x, it's going to make this equation true. Everything that's squared gives me 25. In this case, to solve the equation, we know from previous videos that when you square something, you want to undo that, so you're going to take the square root of both sides. You can see the square root popping in there. We know the square root of 25 is 5. The problem is, that's not the only answer. Because negative 5 is also an x value that would make that true. So what you need to do is, whenever you take the square root of both sides, you have to put in a plus or minus, because that's going to give you both answers. So anytime you're writing in the square root to solve the equation, you have to remember to put in the plus or minus to get all of the answers that make the equation true. So if you were confused about when to use positives and negatives with square roots, I hope you found yourself in the right place.